In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your pre-module assessments and how to assign them to students. So the first thing is going to Mastery Connect, and then you're going to go to this Trackers tab at the top. Now the pre-module assessments are actually already put into your tracker. So all you have to do is go to your tracker. The district did a really cool thing where they reorganized this by module. So for example, all these standards in red, these are every single 5th grade standard in Module 1 of Eureka Math. If we scroll and look, all these orange standards are all for Module 2, and for so on and so forth. So it's really nicely organized. So to find the pre-module for whatever module you're on is actually this dark gray box, right? So this is Mod 1 Pre. And so the standards that it's going to be assessing are these ones in gray. And if you notice, it's 3.0A7 and then 4th grade standards. So they're previous grade level standards that this is assessing. So to assign it to students, it's really simple. All you have to do is click this gray box. And then again, it shows the standards it's assessing. Now, I know it says assess 3 times, but you just have to click one of them. And then now, technically, it's assigned to students. Now, you might ask, how do students access this test? Well, they'll need to do a couple steps. One, they'll have to go to this link, student.masteryconnect.com. Now, last year when we were piloting this, I went ahead and made this a QR code for my students because it was much easier than them typing it out. The other thing they're going to need is this 6-digit test ID. Now, this is the same ID for every single one of your students taking that test. And then the last piece of information, we'll actually go back to the last page it's on. Every student has a student ID in Mastery Connect. It's this 6-digit number right next to their name. So what I did so that my students could access the test was I made a slide in PowerPoint that gave them the 3 steps to follow. I gave them the QR code to the link they needed to open. Then I had them type in the test ID, that 6-digit number on the last page. And then I went ahead and snipped all their names and student numbers right from Mastery Connect because it was really simple to do. And then they just learn that they type in their number, and then that's it. In the next video, we'll look at what it looks like from their perspective when they're taking this test.